Guys, what's up and welcome to the weekend vlog. My camera battery's about to die. Well, it's not about to die, it's on 39%, but we all know how fast camera batteries die when you're vlogging. Anyways, so yeah, like I said, it is the weekend vlog. I'm currently in my office because it needs to be cleaned so bad. But I'm thinking about just doing like a clean with me video tomorrow, since today we're just gonna be lazy because we're snowed in. But I have a couple of boxes down there. Let me show you guys. I have a couple of boxes, and well, these are moving boxes, so not those, but these boxes right here are all of my new filming equipment that I'm going to get set up in my bedroom tonight for a video that I'm going to be doing tonight. And I need to go ahead and get my Diva ring light, tripod and stuff set up for tomorrow's video. So I am working on 2 new videos to come out next week. I need to stay on it, you guys. Like, oh, my hand hurts so bad. But anyways, I need to stay on my videos. Both of my kids are still napping. Long story short, Ava had a cough first, which her whole entire kindergarten class had this cough. Ansel developed the cough, and over a 2-week period, the cough has gone worse. They cough to a point where they're throwing up food and everything, so I took them to urgent care, and they diagnosed them with a lung disease, which obviously Ava does have asthma, but Ansel probably has asthma too. So they're both on a lot of medication. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think they're on 4 or 5 medications each. But they are taking a steroid once a day for their lungs, both of them. And then since I took them to an urgent care, I really wanted them to be seen because yesterday that's when the weather got really funky, and I knew today I wouldn't be able to take them to an urgent care because the weather is so bad. So I'm letting them sleep however long they need to sleep or nap or whatever. But this morning they tried to wake up at like 7:30. No, I have not been going to sleep because literally their coughs will wake you up, and they are down the hall from my bedroom, and I would just literally sit up in bed and just hear them coughing, and it would worry me. And I wanted both of them to be in the room with me, but if I knew if they were in the room with me, they would have been coughing all night, nobody would have gotten sleep. So I was just making sure, and I was getting up constantly to like make sure that they were still breathing and not choking or anything like that. Make sure they had their water, giving them their cough medicine every 3 to 4 hours, like the doctor said. But they are napping right now. And sorry, yeah, the vlog is being started late today. It is 4:54 right now. We just had a lazy morning. I made our breakfast this morning, and Joseph and I just watched a new Mission Impossible with the kids, and the kids stayed up and played until it was nap time. So yeah, like I said, I'm currently in my office. Gonna show you guys this room. Honestly, might be turned into the twins' nursery. I don't know just yet, just because we are moving to Colorado at the end of the year, and usually my babies stay with me for at least six to 7 months. I start sleep training around 6 months ish, so they honestly won't have a use for this room, but it'll be nice for them to have their own room to put their own stuff in. So I guess we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what my office is looking like, and these boxes that I need to get unboxed because my camera battery is gonna die soon and I need a little bit more space, and I'm just going to edit a video, but I think I'm just gonna scrap. Actually, no, I was gonna edit a video, but somehow the videos were encrypted and they refused to get off of my camera, so I ended up having to scrap 2 perfectly good videos. I'm really pissed off about that, but I'm gonna close this up just because we do know the twins' gender, but we are waiting. We're waiting to confirm it, with our ultrasound, which is going to be the 19th. But anyways, let me just show you guys. So yeah, my office is like this really, really beautiful blush pink color. It's really, really big, and it's not bigger than my other office on base, but it's, you know, my office. And this is my desk area. Like I said, I have not done nothing to my office. I'm in here just to edit videos, and that's it. I haven't been in the mood to, you know, and that's just the closet where I'm probably going to keep all of my filming stuff. We'll see. Answer's diaper bag, and all the filming stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open these boxes really, really quick and get stuff set up. For those of you guys who don't know, I am a gamer. I game on my gaming PC as well as on Xbox. Absolutely love this, and I got these new headphones for the PC so I can actually play online with friends. So I will try to leave my Steam name as well as my Xbox gamer tag in the description box below. But let's go ahead and get started. So my camera, I just realized my camera was charged, and I've been downstairs with the kids and they've been playing with Joseph. And I made cheeseburgers with potato wedges, and what else? I think I ate it with Doritos, I think. And I talked to my mom, video chat with my mom for like an hour. Love my mom. I'll put this up here. But right now I'm back inside of my office. This office needs to get cleaned up like tomorrow. I'm really not trying to show you guys too much of it. Like I said at the beginning, we do know the sex of the twins, and I started getting a couple stuff, so I don't want to give it away until we confirm it and we post it. That is one thing that I will tell you guys, is that in order to know what the gender of the baby is, you guys have to watch the video that I'm going to post about. I don't know how I'm going to post or announce what the genders are, but I guess we'll see. My hair is kind of crazy. Washed it, flat ironed it last night. Washed it, conditioned it, blow dried it, and then flat ironed it. One thing I do keep in my drawer is extra hair ties. And this way I can just slide my wigs on. But let me just kind of tuck my hair under like that. But yeah, I definitely need to figure out what I'm all gonna do in this room. I did go ahead and install, let me show you guys. I did put together my Diva ring light, which is, yes, you guys, I love it. That is my wig head, and I think this stuff goes to the backdrop stuff. So I'm just gonna have to organize that into the closet, organize the closet. So I might do a little bit tonight, for sure. But I think my first goal is to try and get the kitchen cleaned up. That way, that's one thing that I would do at the end of the night, is make sure that all the kids' toys is picked up and make sure the kitchen is clean. What are you watching, Ava? Incredibles 2? Bobby? Frozen coming. Cut this down a little bit. Okay, guys. Mom's gonna be downstairs if you need me, okay? to give the kids their medicine because it's way past 9:30.
This little thing?
Yes, those are your vitamins. I need some of that too.
Okay. I knew it. I like those. Can I? Oh no! It had some out.
Ansel gets
That one.
2.5.
Medicine. In my medicine. I'm trying to.
Wait, but hold on. Ansel. Open. Open.
I don't think
I know. And it's nasty.
Yeah.
Okay. Ava.
I take with Ansel's. I take Ansel's.
No. Ava, you guys have the same medicine. Open. Close your mouth. Okay. All done. Good job, you guys.
Yeah.
You want to take a vitamin?
Can I pick Sky?
I don't know if there's a Sky in here, but let's find her.
She's pink.
Oh, she's pink?
Mhm. I don't see the.
There she is.
This one.
That's Sky.
Oh.
Bubby. Here, you get Rebel. Snack. He thinks these gummies, vitamin gummies, are snack for him, but thankfully Paw Patrol comes in clutch. These are their multivitamins.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, baby. That they have to take every day. Okay. Thankfully, Joseph came and helps me with the kitchen, so I'm pretty much done. Very blessed. My screensaver is our pregnancy announcement picture, which I love so much. Oh my god, you guys, I never close this. I always do that. Never close the freaking sheets. And then up here, we have Ansel's brand new comforter and sheets, you guys. He absolutely loves helicopters, so I got him these new sheets and then the comforter that matches. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and get it onto his bed before the night. Wow, Bubby, look! Airplane, helicopter, you see?
Mommy, helicopter.
Helicopter, baby.
Oh, what is it going to rain?
Yeah, you see?
Helicopter.
Helicopter, Bubba. Guys, Ansel's new comforter and sheets are on. I'm not gonna put this actual sheets on just because he gets way too hot, but it's kind of wrinkly because they're in the dryer, but it's okay. He loves helicopters. Ansel, what's this? What's that? Fire truck. Yeah. What's that?
Hi guys, Mommy, fire truck.
Fire truck. But yeah, he has those two. Yes. Oh, this is what you want to see? Okay, I'm going to put this one. Uh-oh. There you go. You got your helicopters on there too. So Ava's going underneath her bed and cleaning up all the old toys and socks and stuff. And she's putting them outside so they can get washed. Is there anything in here? No, there's nothing, no dirty clothes in here, which is good.
Dirty clothes.
But I did hang up a majority of all their clothes that needed to be hung up. I see, baby. Morning. I think, what time is it? It's 11:15 and I'm still kind of in bed. I had a rough night with Ansel last night. He was up like a lot. Ava came and woke me up like twice because Ansel was either thirsty or he was coughing a lot, so I had to go and give him some more medicine. And my head has just been hurting and I feel like I'm getting sick. And I've been trying to prevent myself from getting sick by like disinfecting the house and stuff like that. But just let me sleep in this morning. He's actually downstairs, like right underneath me, playing his Xbox. If you guys can hear him yelling, that is why. He brought me up some cereal and I watched an episode of How to Get Away with Murder. And I've literally just been on my phone watching YouTube this morning. Both of the kids were up and Joseph made them breakfast this morning, and right now they're both coloring in their room and they're watching Netflix on their TV. In about an hour or so I'm going to get them ready because Joseph's gonna let them go outside and play in some snow. I'm gonna get myself ready. I need to shower, get my hair done because I'm gonna be filming a video today. I'm gonna try to get my video filmed. I'm also going to try and get my office cleaned because it needs to be clean and it needs to be organized. Stuff just needs to be put up. That room has been like a catch-all. I know I'm getting sick, but I just found out my OB's office gave me a list of medications that I can take, and I know I can take Robitussin. So I ended up getting that like weeks ago, thinking that it was for kids, but it's actually for adults. And so yeah, Joseph is sick. Both the kids are getting better. Their coughs are getting better. I feel like their coughs are only worse at night. But yeah, I'm probably gonna film a little bit of the kids going outside to play. But I need to go ahead and shower because I'm still wearing the same clothes that I wore yesterday. And I just didn't get my day started because I feel as though if I'm in bed for too long, it's just gonna be like a lazy day. I have laundry that I need to get done today. But yeah, we're not doing nothing crazy. Like I said, it snowed Friday, Saturday, and we're not going anywhere special. We're not gonna be doing anything today, but just chilling at home. So I just came back in from outside. I didn't even plan on going outside, but I did. I'm getting ready to make lunch for the kids, and Joseph and I. We're gonna have some tuna fish sandwiches. This is like my mom's recipe. This is how she made them, made it when I was younger, and this is how I'm making it. So I'm just putting some eggs in the water right now. Like I said, I did not expect to go outside, but then again, I did not want to miss the snow because it's really white outside, and I know in a couple of months it's not going to be like that. But I kind of should get used to it since we are going to Colorado. But I do plan on doing a Q&A for y'all as well. A lot of people have been asking questions in regard to the twins, military life, and you know, just general questions that a lot of people might have. So I am just going to go ahead and just make a video and answer those questions. So that video is coming up next as well. I'm not gonna say next, because I actually plan on making another video today. Still have not showered. My hair still looks crazy, but you know what, it's the weekend. I'm not trying to look good for nobody. So yeah. So I went ahead and I got both of the kids medicine already in their syringes, because I feel like this is the hardest part right here, is trying to measure everything out. And you have two kids who just don't want to take medicine. So I have the amoxicillin, and then I have their steroids, and these two are Anzos. I don't let them use the same syringes at all. And now I'm about to go ahead and get this mixed into a bowl. I'm just trying to see if I should put this inside of a Tupperware box. And Ansel's outside screaming. Might as well I think I should go ahead and put it inside of a Tupperware. Oh, yeah, okay. Hey guys, so I finally showered, finally. We all took a nap, and it's pretty, what time is it? It is 6, so it's like a couple minutes to 7. I told you guys that the kids were sick, so they have been sleeping in and napping a little bit later. So we've been having dinner a little bit later. Let me sit down because I'm kind of tired. But I'm in my very messy office right now. What are you doing? Huh?
Mommy.
Go get mommy a pull-up, please. Can you please? Go get mommy a pull-up. But yeah, even though Ansel's potty trained, we've been keeping him on a pull-up just because his body is like releasing. Girl, no, I'll get it.
No,
thank you.
I'll get to learn today.
You gonna learn today?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, guys, hold on. I'm gonna change his diaper, but I'm still gonna talk to you guys. But I'm in this outfit right now because I'm going to be filming a Q&A video. I decided to do the Q&A instead. And so get up. Instead of the other video that I was going to make. You got it first.
He gave it to me. Is this a flash?
Eat dinner, and I'm pretty much gonna call it a night. And this is gonna be the weekend vlog. Like I said, it was nothing fancy at all. We were just gonna stay at home. Obviously, it's snowing really bad outside, so we weren't gonna do anything today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned because I will have this video, another video, and I think another video. So I think 3 videos from this one, we will be announcing what the twins' genders are. So I'm super excited about that. So you guys have to stay tuned. I'm not gonna post it anywhere else but on our YouTube channel, and you guys will have to watch the whole video to figure out what their genders are. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.